Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see, I do have a new intro video. So I'm going to show you guys how I created mine and also how you can create yours as well through Canva. So first off, go to canva.com. In the search bar, type in something along the lines of YouTube intro video, and then you will see a bunch of different options that pop up. Now, I do have a pro account, which means that a majority of these are free. If you do not have one, some of the items you will have to pay for. So for example, I clicked on this first video, and this is an example of a video that you can edit. On the side, I also clicked on the one that I originally had, which is a template, and then I will show you guys how I edited my template to make it look how it looks now. Alrighty, so I'm going to delete that first video that was there, and this will be the one that I'm editing. So first and foremost, I'm going to go under uploads, and I already uploaded the new picture that I want to use. So I'm going to delete the old one, and this is a drag and drop. So I'm just going to drag it, drop it in that circle, and also make it bigger. Whenever you're trying to censor something, you will see a horizontal or a vertical line that pops up, just to make sure that it's centered with the middle of the page. So next, I did make the welcome to bigger, and I'm going to delete the my channel because I will replace that with my brand name. I also want to add a lift to the words. So if you click on the text, it kind of gives it like a cool shadow. And then I also wanted to move the subscribe button to the top corner, just so it's not in the middle of the page anymore. So I do already have another tab open towards the top, and right now I'm going to copy and paste this to the video. So my logo, copied and pasted the words flairbypierre, clicked on the corner, made it a little bit bigger, and then centered it right under the welcome to. So after that, I'm going to click on effects on the top tab, and then let's see, go over to lift, drag the intensity up to 100, and again, it just gives the words a slight pop and makes them stand out just a little bit more than they were prior. Now I do want a kind of like a mouse click arrow on the subscribe button, so I typed in click into elements, and all of these options came up. This is the one that I liked, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and then drag it over to the subscribe button. I just think it looks cooler. There's really no need for that. I just, why not? It's there. Now I also have the words travel, crafts, and glamour already typed out. So this is mainly what I do on my page in terms of videos. So I'm going to copy that and paste it to the video. Again, going to click on the corner, make it bigger, and then center it right under the flairbypierre words. So I'm really liking this so far. I think it is, giving it a slight step up from what it looked like before. Now, last thing to do is to change the background color, because I don't think it's as cohesive as I want it to be, especially with the fact that I changed my background picture. So if you double click on the background, you'll see the document colors pop up. I would like a gradient, so I clicked on gradient, and then under gradient colors, you can add different colors. You can click on them, switch around the order. If you click the add button, you can also add more colors. So I think what I'm going to do is a tan, a white, a black, and a pink. So for the rest of the video, you're just going to see me playing around with the different options, with the styles, the direction of the gradient that I want it to be, and just things of that nature. So enjoy. Also, if you have not done so already, please remember to subscribe, like, and just comment your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you guys think of these videos. So this is the final product. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to share this with others who you think might benefit from this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you.